Good day everyone! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng low-cost DIY crown ni Glinda ng The Wicked, The Good Witch. Ayan. As you can see, gumamit tayo ng glitter paper para malagay natin ang ating DIY crown. Ayan, nagupit-gupit lang ako ng bilog and then nilagay na natin yan sa gitna. And you just watch this and you'll see very easy lang na crown ni Glinda of Wizard of the Wicked.